Hi everybody, welcome to FLORFINA'S kitchen. Today I am making a chicken Tocino. I will show you how to use the ingredients I used to make my own Tocino. So I am using chicken today. It's a dark meat, the chicken thigh. Okay, so I am using a chicken thigh. So boneless. I like the chicken thigh when I make a chicken Tocino. Okay, so I took the bone out, and what I do is I'm just thinning it up like that, and just cut it in 3 pieces. Like this. Okay, and then another one, just make it thinner. Okay, that way. So I have the chicken here. So what I'm going to do is I will just put all the ingredients together. So I have a 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of anatto powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and I have a half a cup of vinegar, and I have seasoning, liquid seasoning, and I have a half a cup of soy sauce, and I have a cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar, and then just put everything. And then my hand is clean, so I'm just going to marinate this for at least 24 hours, but the longer you marinate it, better. You can do the same marinade for your chicken breast if you are a breast kind of person, or you can do the same for pork. There you go. That's so easy. I will marinate this for at least 24 hours before I cook it. Alright guys, well that's it. It's just so easy. Just put all your seasoning, your ingredients in the chicken or pork or whatever meat you want to use, and marinate it for 24 hours at least. Okay, well thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified if I get a new video. Till next time, salamat! Bye!